Hey, what's up everybody? Here Ivan. I'm gonna make this video how to get free money on Craigslist. Simple strategy. You have to pay, so you will make at least 100 or more a day for free, but you gotta invest too. You gotta invest like $15 to make more money. I've been testing this strategy since last week, I think. It's not a CP offer. It's like a CP offer, but it's something different. You could just gotta join a company and they will pay you $10 just for free. Let me show you how it works. And I already put it on my news feed right here. I'm getting paid. I think I already got another payment. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check it out because I just received an email on my cell phone. But yeah, what I do, I just go to the I'm from San Diego, California. What you gotta do on Craigslist, just gotta be local. If you are from Florida, I post on Florida, only the states, the cities closest by. Because like me, I'm from California. If I post in Florida, Facebook will find out very fast that you're posting in another state or you have a different IP. Even if you change the IP, they will find out. If you don't know about changing IPs, they will find out. To tell the truth, I've been testing this and they flag my account. It doesn't work. And I don't know. They're very knowledge on the IPs. I don't know what the hell they're buying, but but they know what's up. And if you're trying to promote in every city, they will know. They will flag your account. It's not like Facebook. Facebook is awesome. I like Facebook, everything on Facebook, but it's a little bit time consuming. You gotta be like putting the picture right, the frame, like okay, it takes time, but it's worth it. At the end of the day, you're killing it if you know what you're doing. But I don't know what happened right now on Facebook. That I'm being in Facebook jail for groups. I think Mark Zuckerberg has he's getting sued, something about trading the data. I don't know, softwares. He's trying to get rid of that, but that shit is not gonna happen for sure. That shit's not gonna happen. There's a lot of users that know what's up. As long as he shut down Facebook, but I don't think he will do that shit. Yes, what I do. Sorry, I got into the until the news right now. But yeah, what I do on labor. I go in Jake's labor, and then I post right here. It costs $5 to post it right here on the Jake's section. This is my my ad, and I've been getting a lot of sales. Just about what I purchased only the domain name on Google, and putting the ad. There's $5, and I'm getting a lot of $20 right now from referring. They give you $10 just for registration, only in California and Texas people. That's what I didn't like about that, because I thought it was, if it would be more national, it would be freaking awesome. But on Craigslist, you can put it in every city. Like if you want to post it on Sacramento, just post it on the closest city that you're located. So Craigslist won't, if you like me, if like I told you, if I post it in Florida, right away it's gonna flag me. So try it local. Like first in your city. If you're if you're close to Texas or California, try to. They will find out as long as it's not far away, the zip code. So that's why I've been getting sales. I just got a sale right now. I don't even know from who. It's money on autopilot. That's what I like about Craigslist. Just post and that's it. Yeah, I'm testing this software. It's for Facebook ads in Google and Twitter and Bing. I know a little bit about, I'm testing Twitter right now, the software. So how this software works, you just put the zip codes on every city on the states, and it will tell you what people are making on those homes, the cities, the zip code. It's all about the zip codes. And what I noticed on Facebook ads, it's all about the zip codes and people interested, like work from home moms and everything. It's all about keywords too. Zip codes are very powerful. That's what I noticed. That's why I'm testing this software. It works like a charm. So you can pay the lowest click per rate, the lowest one. If you do a video, it's gonna be like 0.01. But if you put an image on your ad, they will charge you a minimum $1. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. If you want to put a picture, just to pay that, like before, dark post, that was killing a dark post. It's something more advanced that it's a lot of tricks involved, pixels and everything. But I'm trying this software. I'm getting a lot of leads from Bings. I'm testing it just from zip codes on the states. So be prepared on watching that video and take notes, because I might give a lot of information for free, but not a lot. I'm just gonna leave it on your mind so you can think about it. Because I know a lot of people will take action, and a lot of people won't take action. I know. They just think this business online is a game. But just watch that video when you see it, because I might take it off right away. But yeah, let me know if you got questions. Right now, I'm promoting. I almost finished with my site, CP marketing training. So I'm adding more stuff on the system. Me and my business partner Hector setting all that stuff in the membership area. So be prepared. Coming with some new strategies that a lot of entrepreneurs don't know. So let's be in contact and hit me up if you have questions. All right, cool.